Remote work means you get to work from anywhere in the world, including the comfort of your home. And while it can be great to have the flexibility of working from your own space, it can also be challenging to stay productive. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you some tips to help you stay productive and focused while working from the comfort of your home. Hey friend, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Mfon Akpan, and on this channel, I share content on career, faith, and self development. I hope you make the decision to subscribe to the channel and stay updated by turning on the notification bell. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I do not take your consistent support for granted. Thank you so much for clicking this video. You know why you're here, so let's begin. First tip for you to stay productive and focused while working from home is to create a dedicated workspace. It's important to have a dedicated space where you can focus on work without distractions. This can be a separate room or a specific area in your room. For me, this is my workspace. Invest in a comfortable chair and desk that promotes good posture and reduces physical strain. Moving on, my next tip for you is to establish a routine. When your work and home life is merged into one, it can be difficult to switch off from work mode. So, creating a routine can help you establish boundaries and structure your day. Just like when you're going to the office, you know, I am spending 9 to 5 here, I am spending 8 to 6 here. It's important to establish a routine as well when you're working from home. This includes setting regular working hours, taking breaks, and maintaining a consistent schedule. So create a schedule that outline your work hours, breaks, and personal time. My next tip for you on how to be productive and focused while working from home is to minimize distractions. Distractions are everywhere, especially if you're working from home. Turn off the notifications from your phone. Avoid checking social media and your personal emails during work hours. Personally, all my notifications are turned off. If I don't open a particular social media app, I can't see your messages. And my emails don't sing on my phone either. If I want to read new emails, I have to refresh it after I open the app. Number four on how to stay productive and focused while working from home is to use a task list. One of the best ways to achieve high productivity while working from home is to use a task list or a to-do list if you may. Make sure you give yourself enough time to complete the task and ensure that the deadline is not too far off in the future. This can lead to procrastination. So when creating a task list, make sure to prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. You can use the Hestanova matrix, the ABCE method, or the Pomodoro technique to help you prioritize your tasks effectively. If you've not heard about these techniques before, I'm going to give you a brief detail on them. So the Hestanova technique involves categorizing your tasks into four quadrants based on importance and urgency. For example, tasks that are important and urgent should be your top priority and should be completed first. You can use tools like Notion, Trello, or Asana to create a task list and categorize them accordingly. Now, the ABCE method. This involves assigning a letter A, B, C, or E to each task based on its priority. A tasks are the most important, while E tasks are the less important. You can then work on your A tasks first, followed by the B task, and so on. Finally, is the Pomodoro technique. You will set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a particular task during that period without any distraction. Next, you will take a 5 minute break after each Pomodoro section. After four Pomodoro sections, you will take a longer break, say 15, 20, or 25 minutes. To help you do this, you can use tools like the Pomodoro Tracker. You can download the Google extension on your computer or simply go to Play Store and download the Toggle app or Focus To Do app on your mobile phone. Personally, I prefer Focus, but you can check out the two apps and decide on which one to go with. Number five on how to stay productive and focused while working from home is to take breaks. Rest. When you're tired, take a break. I am sharing this with you because I am learning to do it myself. I don't take breaks. I am learning to do it myself, and I've seen that it has impacted on my productivity. I mentioned taking breaks if you're using the Pomodoro technique because taking breaks is essential. Plan your breaks into your workday schedule and use them to maybe take a walk, do some stretches, or simply walk away from your workspace. As I said, I am learning to do this. It's important you disconnect yourself from work and give your mind, your body a break. Finally, don't multitask. While it may seem efficient to tackle multiple tasks at once, it can also be counterproductive. Instead, focus on a particular task and give it your full attention. I used to multitask a lot. This is very peculiar to women. I feel God has given us that natural ability to do different things at the same time. While it may seem efficient, it's really sometimes it can be counterproductive. So if you're working from home, it's important to focus on a particular task, give it your full attention, complete it, and then move on to the next. So there you have it, friend. This is how I stay productive and focused while working from home. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have other tips and tricks that you use to help you stay productive while working from home, please share them in the comments section. And don't forget to like this video so it can reach a wider audience. If you've not subscribed yet, I hope you finally make the decision to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in the next video.